Most people don't think about their water heaters until they stop working and they need to buy a new one. We've shopped for new water heaters before in PowerHouse, but today we're going to show you how to extend the life of your water heater. Meet Justin Ross. He's been plumbing homes for 20 years. He's seen his fair share of bad water heaters, but today he has come to the rescue. Justin, I didn't realize on a water heater there's recommended maintenance to extend the life of the water heater.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a few key things. One is the manufacturer recommends that you drain it down once to twice a year.
Okay.
Because there's a sediment from the water, minerals, everything. It falls to the bottom, sits against that tank. You want to drain that out, flush it out.
Okay.
The second thing is called the anode rod. It's up here on top. It's an 1/16" bolt head. Loosen this guy up, and usually it's way harder than I'm making it look right now. You know. All right. So you get it loosened up.
And this is, again, the anode rod. Talked a little bit about, its purpose.
It's actually like a sacrificial rod. This rod, the water hardness or minerals in the water attack this rod instead of attacking the steel tank inside. So it makes your water heater tank last longer than...
So that just hangs down in the water, right?
Yep,
and again,
doesn't touch anything but the water.
Okay,
Yep.
and the water inside, as you said, it sort of attacks this
Yeah,
during the life of your water heater. And then this is made up of what?
Magnesium or aluminum.
This is a good looking one.
Yeah, yep.
But I know you have another one.
Yeah, this is out of a water heater that's 10 to 12 years old right there.
And that's typical that you might pull out.
Oh
right?
yeah, absolutely. I've pulled them out where there's just this bolt head.
And this has all been eaten away.
Yeah, yep, there's nothing left of it. The way this looks depends on your water hardness too. I mean, if you're in a city where you don't have as hard water, the anode rod will last longer, but if you have really hard water, then it'll eat this thing faster. So.
Okay, and they also, you were telling, I mean, they can smell at times, right?
Yeah, like mostly like wells, you'll get like a sulfur, and that sulfur water will attack it, and you'll get like an egg smell out of your faucet. So there's a special rod they make for that gets rid of the egg smell.
Justin, how often should we replace this then?
About every 4 years is what's recommended.
Okay, and talk to us a little bit about the cost. The cost of the rod would be?
$30 to $40 plus a plumber's service charge.
All right, so in addition, you got to come out and your service visit to put this in.
Yeah,
and as we said, that getting that out is not easy.
No, yeah. Usually it's almost a two-man thing. I mean, you have to have someone bear hugging this and then another guy on a wrench with even a bar to break that, breaker bar to break that. A lot of times what we do is we drain it down a little bit so you have the weight of the water even to help you out. Yeah.
Okay. All right. But again, as always on PowerHouse, we're always about safety. So keep that in mind. I've got to turn off, if I have gas, I've got to...
Oh yeah, shut off the gas, you have to shut off the water, you have to make sure you're drained down to a certain point, otherwise you'll have all the upstairs water, head pressure coming at you.
Yeah, and again, we like to have do-it-yourself projects, but this might be one to leave to the professionals perhaps?
Absolutely, yeah, I'd say. There's a lot of unknown hazards that could come with taking this out.
Yeah,
so.
Again, it's not an easy process to change this out.
Not at all. No, sometimes you run into low ceilings where you can't get it out. So the old one you have to cut out in sections.
Okay.
And then the new one you either have to unhook the whole unit and tip it over, or they make an anode rod that has chain links in it where
so
you can
slide it in segment by segment. Okay.
Yep.
All right. But again, the bottom line here, Justin, is you can extend the life of your water heater through some regular maintenance.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yep.
All right. Well, Justin, some great information. Thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah, no problem.
And if you'd like to learn more information about how you can take care of your energy systems, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.